DIY balloon cake topper. Make your own balloon cake topper. Here you will receive 10 balloons along with a craft wire and glue dots. You will also use wooden skewers. Firstly, you would blow up the balloons. To make them slightly round, you can push them down onto a table and make the end as long as you can and pull the knot through and push the end as far as you can. This will allow us to tie the balloons once they are all blown up. Here we go, this is a round nice shape. What you would do is blow all the balloons into slightly different sizes. If you're new here, hello. Subscribe to Hyperstar Tutorials for more tutorials on balloons. Once all the balloons have been blown, you would need to start pairing them. Simply get the ends and tie them together. Try and keep them nice and close and do a tight knot. You can keep the colours the same or you can mix and match. It's totally your creation. Next, get the craft wire and simply tie around the first set of balloon. Get another pair of balloon, push down onto the previous balloon and wrap the craft wire quite firmly and tightly. Place another set and again just push down and wrap the wire around it and continue like that until you have finished your balloons. And there we are, your balloon cake topper is almost ready. You could rearrange the colours as to your preference. Next you would get the glue dots and you would add them onto the wooden skewers and place them as you preferred, just behind the balloons. If you wish, you can also use straws. Ours come with wooden skewers. Place onto the cake as desired. Thanks so much for watching.